A very good morning to one and all. We have assembled here today to witness Mathmania, an inter-school math quiz, and 35 teams across Pune, spanning a legacy of 15 years. Before we begin, I extend a very warm welcome to Dr. Madhav Kaushish, our chief guest for today's program. I take this opportunity to welcome the executive committee and special invitees. On behalf of KHS Baner, we warmly welcome all the participating schools and the accompanying teachers of various schools. Let's begin the program by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. Intricacies of the world around us. Today's Mathmania will present students with challenging problems that require them to analyze the given information, identify relevant strategies, and devise effective solutions. We are indeed fortunate to have a person who is passionate about this subject as our chief guest today. I'm sure he'll motivate the young minds present in the auditorium. He is none other than Dr. Madhav Kaushish, an educator and entrepreneur, Arizona, and a BA in mathematics from Oberlin College. Currently, he serves as the co-founder of Learno, Artificial Intelligence, a platform that utilizes advanced natural language processing and machine learning to create personalized learning experiences for students, and co-founder of Think, an initiative aimed at He's the father of Pratyahara Kol, grade 10 student, and Parjanya Kol, grade 7 student of KHS Baner.
Good morning to the dignitaries of the dais, the special invitees, all the teachers from different schools, parents, and dear students. It gives me immense pleasure today to welcome you for this inter-school math quiz competition, Mathmania 2024. A big thank you to everyone who has joined us today to celebrate this milestone. Children, today, as ma'am mentioned that this is the 15th year, I would really like to brief about a little history about this event. When the school started Mathmania back in 2010, the main goal was clear. We wanted to help students overcome the fear of math and, more importantly, to develop a love for the subject. Back in the day, as most of the teachers must be knowing, most of the quizzes were related to heritage or general knowledge or history or languages. But math, well, no one was hosting a math quiz. And there we saw an opportunity, a chance to create something unique, something that would make learning mathematics fun and exciting. The very first edition of Mathmania I know the students here, they must be coming for the first time, but we have many teachers who have been participating in this quiz for a very long time. So can I have a hand raise of any of the teachers who have been with Mathmania for long years? Year, Mathmania grew. Thanks to our former principals who were themselves math teachers, we introduced new rounds, invited more schools, integrated technology, and even brought in eminent personalities from the world of mathematics as our chief guest. And today we have Dr. Madhav Kaushish. We have just heard his introduction also, an equally eminent personality in the field of math. And I would also like to share an interesting fact here. Do you know the principal who started Mathmania? She was Mrs. Pallavi Naik, a language teacher who she keeps on saying that she is very scared of this subject. And she is the one who started this Mathmania quiz. So she is not here today, so we can just give a round of applause for her. And it's amazing to see how this competition has evolved. It's now just not an event anymore, it's a platform. So children, every question you solve, every problem you tackle today is a step toward breaking the stereotypes about math. You are proving that math is not just challenging, it's exciting, engaging, and fun. And remember, with the right mindset, there's no challenge too big. Here, I want to take a moment to appreciate the backbone of this event, the dedicated teachers from not only our school, all the other schools also. You have worked tirelessly to prepare your students, and your passion is what makes Mathmania possible. A big thank you to all the parents as well, as your support and engagement mean the world to your children. Now, speaking of appreciation, I am thrilled to announce a new prize this year. So along with our regular awards, the winning team will receive an additional prize, that is an exclusive mathematical inquiry workshop with our chief guest, Dr. Madhav Kaushish. We will share all the details with you later. So this is to inform the audience that this is one step that, or you can say the first step that the school is taking forward, because we want to develop our school as a talent hub for mathematics. And this is the first step that we are taking in this direction. And we look forward for the participation in this from all schools and all the students. In this workshop, children, you will learn to think like a true mathematician, develop your own theories, create axiomatic systems, and construct proofs. Isn't that exciting? So as we start today's competition, I encourage each of you to give it your best shot. Think critically, work as a team, and most importantly, enjoy every moment. Remember, today isn't just about winning, it's about learning, growing, and having fun. Every question is an opportunity, every round a chance to build confidence. So are you all ready to get started?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Think smart and let's see some incredible math skills in action. So thank you children, thank you audience, and let the competition begin.
VK Patil Memorial School Team 1, Dr. Kalmadi Shamram High School Team 1, Wisdom World School Walker Team 1, Delhi Public School Team 1, City Pride School Chikri Moshi Team 1, City Pride School Nigri Team 2, and the last one, any guess? Vidya Valley School Team 2. semi-final round 1 qualifying teams on the stage, and semi-final round 2 teams will be seated in the green room.
At Mathmania School, and with me is Raghav.
Good morning everyone, my name is Raghav. I'm a grade 10 student from KHS Baner.
He's also our head boy, to mention. I extend a warm welcome to all of you to the first semi-final round of Mathmania 2024. Before we begin the first round, can we have a round of introductions please? Teammate, could you introduce yourself? Tell us your school name.
I'm Hazel from SES Gurukul.
Okay.
I am Kashmir Jahangirda from SES Gurukul.
Okay.
I am Neer Shah from SES Gurukul.
I am Bhavni Fiske from SES Gurukul.
I am Kananika Bhire from City Bright School Nigli. I am Swara Sainane from City Bright School Nigli. Good morning ma'am, I am Rajwardhan Vijay from City Bright School Nigli.
Okay. Go ahead.
This is KHS Ganesh Nagar, Team 1.
And what are your names?
Manas Bendare, Arnav Purandare,
Arya Joshi.
Soham Kolatkar.
Okay. KHS Ganesh Nagar, a warm welcome.
My name is Ranveer Singh from Brisbane World School, Walker.
Okay.
Good morning, I'm Ashray Goel from Wisdom World School.
Good morning ma'am, my name is Ayush Thalekar from Wisdom World School, Walker.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Ridan Kelkar from Wisdom World School, Walker.
Okay. This tests your ability to perform quick calculations. Okay. The rules for this round are also being put up and I'll read them out to you. One question will be given to each team. A maximum time of 30 seconds will be allotted. Your time begins after the question is completed. Please remember, this stays across the board. For all rounds, your time begins after I complete reading the question. It is a transferable round. If one team is unable to answer the question, it will be passed to the next team, but only once. Okay? Past questions are to be answered immediately. You do not get time for the past question. And 10 points if it is passed to you. Is that clear to all of you? All of you have understood the rules? Are we ready to begin? So team A, your of a new job is ₹5. Each day after that, your pay will be twice as much as it was the day before. What will be your pay on the 10th day?
4480.
Yes. Let me just take for a second, sorry. No, you're wrong. We pass it on to the next one.
2560.
You are right, team B, and I saw you nodding halfway through the question itself, which is very good. Okay, we pass on to team B. So team B has got a bonus point and we go for their regular question. So team B, your question starts now. It was seen in a farm. Raghu counted 64 legs in all. How many dogs were there? You don't have to press the buzzer answer.
12.
You're right. Well done. So you've got your direct question and a bonus as well. You're already ahead. 30 marks. The maximum marks set for the examination are. You can also do because you can pass the question. You know the answer already?
200.
Yes, you're right. You've got the answer correct. Well done. The age of a father is 3 times that of his son. 10 years from now, the father's age will be twice that of his son. What is the current age of the father?
Ma'am, 30.
Yes, that is the right answer. Well done. I think it was a well played round. 3 of you got your direct answers. Now I call upon Raghav on stage for round 2.
Enjoyed round 1? Yes. Great. We'll start with the second round, which is called as the Pathfinder round. Here you'll be tested on your thinking abilities and pattern observation skills. Your questions on the screen now.
Can I answer?
Yes.
84.
That's correct. 20 points to team A. We'll now move on to team B. Are you ready?
24.
Sorry, that's the incorrect answer. Team C, are you ready for your question?
BT.
That's correct. 20 points to Team C. Yes,
65.
that's correct. 20 points to Team B.
Is it 30?
Sorry, the correct answer was 32. Sorry, time's up. Yes, that's correct. Congratulations. 20 points to Team A.
Good morning all. Team A 30 points, Team C 40 and Team D is also scoring 40 points. All the best for the next round, children.
Who are lagging behind to catch up because it's a buzzer round. Okay? It's all good? Okay. Now that we have the technology in place, okay. She will know, you will not get to know. Okay? That's how it is. Even I don't know it was. Okay? Is that okay? Are we all settled down? Yeah? This will also happen if you press the buzzer and you don't answer. Number from 1 to 24. What is number 10? The shaded area is 2/3 of the area of a square and 40% of the area of the triangle. Find the ratio of the area of the square to the area of the triangle. Team B, again, 5:4. No, that's not the right answer. So they lose 10 points, ma'am. Okay. We move on to the next one. Everyone, your question coming up now. After the school exams are over, all students in a class exchange their photographs. Each student gives his photograph to each of the remaining students and gets the photograph of all his friends. There are totally 870 exchanges of photos. Find the number of students in the class. No, that is not the right answer. Here's X, Y, 16 and 24. Very good. Team B, so you caught up with whatever you've lost. Wonderful, Team B. So after
As usual, I am Vishnu. Today we will be taking your audience round. So, are you ready? I did not hear. Are you ready? Louder. That's the spirit. Let's go. Let's start with the first question. A clock shows 6:30. What is the angle between the hour and the minute hands? Sorry? No.
I know the
Audience, don't blurt out the answers. Oh, that's the correct answer.
Number when decreased by 4 is equals to 21 times the reciprocal of the number. Find the number.
You. Wrong. You.
No, let me repeat. To 21 times the number, the reciprocal of the number. Find the number.
And then before that, I think we should give a round of applause to the participants. It was a very contested round. All of you, well done. Once more, a round of applause to you. Well done, all of you. Presses the buzzer first, gets a chance to answer that question. You answer the question correctly, you get 200 points, 75, and sold at a gain of 8%. Find its selling price. Team A?
81.
Very good. So you qualified to the final. Well done.
And 1.
Okay.
And I am from standard 7th.
Okay.
My name is Kul Saxena and I am from standard 8.
Okay.
My name is Shashank Singh and I am from City Grade School, Moshi, standard 8.
Okay.
My name is Siddhant Mantri. I am from standard 7, City Grade School, Moshi.
Okay. City Pride School, Moshi, welcome.
I'm Jimmy Lord and I'm from Vidyalaya.
I'm Shaurya Mehta from grade 7.
Achin Doshi, grade 8.
Zubin Vahanwati, grade 7.
Vidya Valley, welcome and all the best.
Adar Shrivastava from Delhi Public School.
Shraddha Bharat from Delhi Public School.
Saimanath Jaina from Delhi Public School.
Delhi Public School, a warm welcome to you.
Arya Pokre from VK Patil Memorial School.
Agastya Oak from VK Patil Memorial School.
Tejas Bargale from VK Patil Memorial School.
Ojas Sardesai from VK Patil Memorial School.
Okay, a warm welcome to it's 4 feet full. What is the capacity of a water tank in liters? There's no negative marking, so you can still go for an answer. Go ahead. You're right, that is the right answer. 2 persons in the ratio 3:5. If the share of one person is rupees 2,000 more than Google mic.
8,000.
Wonderful, you got it in very little time. 4 kilometers per hour and runs at a speed of 8 kilometers per hour. How much time?
4.5 hours.
Very good, you got it in very little time. Well done, well done. Being formed by 2 concentric circles. It is 10 feet wide. By how much? That is the right answer. So you have only got your direct question.
This round is called the Pathfinder round. You will be tested here on your pattern observation skills. Can you have the rules, please? Each team will be given 2 questions and you get 30 seconds to answer each question.
42.
Sorry, the current answer. Sorry, the correct answer was 30. Your answer.
260.
Sorry, the correct answer. That's correct. Congratulations. The question, please. That's correct. Congratulations. That's correct. Congratulations. You did that already.
Team B and C 40 points each. And Team B don't.
Squares of the length of 3 sides of a right triangle is 800. Find the length of the hypotenuse. Very good. That is the right answer. 8 hen, a fish, a crow, a girl, and a boy in a garden. So you would like to? You won't get any points, but you can still try. 9. No, that's not required to see the same 4 largest 7-digit number, which is a multiple of 7 with different digits.
Hello everybody, we're back with some more questions for you. Here we go. How many times does the digit 6 occur in numbers from 1 to 100? Find out the answers. Give me please. Wrong.
Please don't.
Give me please. Yes, that's the correct answer.
Okay. How many squares are there on a chessboard?
Please don't write out the answers. Think about it.
Bro, first of all, please everybody sit down and don't speak out the answers loud. Raise your hand, you will get a chance. Yes, you right there.
Please stand up.
For some time now. school chicory motion. I request Team A and Team C.
Watch this competition. It reminds me of my own days in school where I would go to these things and there'd be such intensity and I would know how to do it, but maybe I'd be a little bit panicked and there'd be so much emotion going through the solving of all these interesting puzzling problems. Anyway, so today I wanted to give a talk just to take a little break from all the competition, just kind of a fun talk on juggleology, the science of juggling. Maybe I should start a little bit a model of like this. Okay, so the balls are tossed at different times, right? I'm not doing this. Okay, I'm tossing them at different times. Next, I'm alternating left, right, left, right, left, right. Yeah. Okay, and a toss from the left goes to the right, and from the right it goes to the left. Okay, these are good observations if you want to mathematically model the thing. All the tosses for the 3-ball cascade are the same height. They could be very low, it could be very high. Too much time, so I'm just writing this as axioms. Don't toss 2 balls at the same time, alternate, left hand, and all of them at the same height. All of them at the same height, yeah. By the laws of physics, the tosses, these are all 3 tosses. And when you model them, they land 3 beats later, okay? Another one is the 3-ball shower. Okay, so that is like this. So this is another kind of juggling pattern called the 3-ball shower. My left to my right. And the much bigger one on the top is the 5. So that's 1-5 in juggleology notation. This is 3-3-3-3 in juggleology notation. 0-4. Can you imagine what that looks like? Yeah, it's actually just this. Okay, so this is 4, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0. Okay, the next one. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. This one you can also do. Okay, here's 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. What do you think 4, 4, 0, 0, 4, 4, 0, 0 might be? Okay, all right, good. Oh, you guys are getting this. Okay, yeah. So this is the 2 in one hand, or the 2 in this hand. Okay. Yeah. So that's just this thing that goes across like this. They're like that.
This is in line with our objective for this year, which is sustainable development. So, KGI wishes to embed sustainability into our ecosystem world for generations to come. So, each question in this round revolves around that sustainability theme. Okay? So, let's outbreak. 10% of people died and 25% rectangular with dimensions. Hold your mic and answer.
245.
That is the right answer, please. Ramanjan, you open the account. Shakuntala Devi, your question coming at a supermarket. 1/3 is made of.
You will get a time of 90 seconds, that's 1.5 minutes. You'll get 50 points for
बाकी सगळं कव्हर करा. ऑगस्ट कुठे? ऑगस्ट.
So team Aryabhatta gets the 50 points. Congratulations. Okay.
Show of try. We will saying it over and over again. His average will be 80 feet.
6 exams.
That is the right answer. Very done, team Aryabhatta. Have 51 balls together. Babu gives 7.
16.
That is the right answer. 80%. That is the right answer. Well done, team Raman. 10 hours and 5 feet can empty the tank.
8 hours.
No, that is not the right.
Need to buck up. That's 20 points. Team Aryabhat 100 points.
So we come. So here are the rules for the rapid fire round. 1 minute. For every correct minus 13.
11/13.
Can we give that answer? No, that is incorrect. Sum of minus 2. Correct. 12% of 700.
84.
Correct. Complement of 32 degrees.
58.
Correct. 0.045 divided by 10.
0.0045.
Square of minus 21.
441.
Correct. How many dozens in 480 units?
How many? 20.
Wrong.
40.
I take the first one. 27 is greater than 13 by how much?
14.
Correct. So you've got 2 minus 6 into 15.
Minus 120.
Wrong. 714 days is equal to how many weeks?
90.
Correct. Cube root of 125 is equal to
5.
correct. 9 by 25 in decimals is equal to
0.36.
correct. 3 raised to 0 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to
8.
well done, and I think they have some amount of time left. Very good, team Harshad. Now, square of 17 is equal to
289.
correct. 15 minus 21 plus 4 is equal to
Minus 2.
correct. What is multiplied by 11 to get 132?
11.
That's wrong. I take the first answer.
0.14.
Wrong. 80% of 200 is equal to how many minutes? You get 8 right.
Equal.
Multiplies by itself to give 324. Correct. Decrease 79 by 28. What do you get?
51.
Correct. Supplement of 65 degrees is equal to?
105.
Correct. How many times 7 is 105? Correct. What is 75% of 1 liter? It is equal to how many grams? Your time's up.
Acute angle triangles. Obtuse angle, an angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. Straight angle, a straight angle always measures 180 degree. Reflex angle, an angle between 180 degree and 360 degree. Obtuse angle. Right angle. Obtuse angle. Angle. Two obtuse angles. Acute angle. Obtuse angle.
Aryabhat and Ramanujan are facing a tie, so they'll be given a tiebreaker question. Team Bhaskaracharya, one.
If you not answer, you lose 100. To the time, whatever you have, you want to write whatever I should get the answer. Easiest ones among them. If you know the answer, hit the buzzer. Hit the buzzer. Hit the buzzer.
Means the numbers can be.
You don't answer.
And you have to answer. You lose marks anyways. You don't. That's you lost. You are well deserved. You fought at the very end. That is important. Well done. Well done.
Very boring but I saw there was a question which somebody asked.
If I ask you for a 455,000 sided chessboard, so those many sides, how many squares are? Come on, work them up. Whatever variable you want to use, you would say how many total squares are there. Okay? Okay, so let me ask you the question. For an n-sided chessboard, how many total squares are there?
N-sided.
N square, we can test that, right? We can test that. We know what the answer is for 8 by 8. So, is the answer for 8 by 8, you guys said 204. So, is it n squared? No. N is what? What is n in the regular chessboard? 8, right? So n squared is 64. That's not. I don't think that's the same as 204, right? So now how do we go about tackling this problem? So once again, it's very hard to come up with an answer. So the strategy you would take here is to start. Let's start with something simple. Let's start with a 0 by 0 board. How many total squares are there? Okay, nice. What about a 1 by 1? Okay, let's do 2 by 2. 4? 5, right? Because there's the big one, which takes all of them. Right. Okay, slightly harder, 3 by 3. Okay, now I really don't care about what your answers are. I want your strategy. How are you doing this? What are you trying to do? How are you doing this? Yeah, someone has their hand up. No, I don't want the formula. I want how you counting. Right now we're just counting. Yeah. Okay, no, that's once again. Okay, so how are you doing that? So you're visualizing how many squares in what way? So first you look for what? Okay, you look for the 1 by 1 squares. Now those are very clear. Then what do you do? Okay, how do you do the 2 by 2? And so you're making a boundary in your mind, and you're moving it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We generalized it to a case we're using a variable, and then we started attacking the smaller examples to come up with a pattern. We haven't come up with a pattern yet. People have suggested patterns, right? Someone suggested n square plus something, whatever, right? And those are patterns we would test. We tested one pattern, n squared, and that didn't work, right? It worked in a 1 by 1 case, 0 by 0, but beyond that, it doesn't work. Okay? So, yeah, so that's what I'm going to leave you guys with. I also wanted to congratulate everybody who's participated in this quiz today. And all of you, I think all of you were participants? Or most of you were participants. Cool. Congratulations. And I think this quiz has clearly achieved its goal. I think
children, parents, and teachers, did you really have fun? Enjoyed every bit of it? Yes. So thank you for that. And you have seen that the quiz we started almost at 10:35 and now it's 1:30. How many hours do you think the quiz lasted? 3 hours. Okay, very good. So you have seen that the quiz was conducted in so many different rounds. There were so many different questions. So, and as you have liked the event also so much, let me tell you children that the event that you all see today, you all have experienced today, a lot of effort has gone behind it to make this program what it is you see today. So I take this opportunity to call up all the team, the teachers who are a part of this, who designed this program with so many questions, because there were many questions which they went through many number of times and then decided which would be the right to choose depending upon the timing and many variations. So I would call the team on stage and I would request each one of you to give them a big round of applause. So to start with, I will call the math team, which is, you can say, the brain behind this quiz. So to start with, we have Sheetal ma'am, Aishwarya ma'am, Sona ma'am, Sampada ma'am. So a big round of applause for them. So all the difficult questions which you were not able to answer and the easier ones which made this quiz very fun, those were being framed by these teachers. Thank you very much for all the efforts that you have put in since last more than a month, managing all the other teaching workload and plus this. And I would also share here that few of them are really having some serious issues at the last family front, but then today you don't even see a glimpse of it, and all you can see is just smiles. That speaks a lot about your spirit. Thank you very much. Our quiz masters who have really made this quiz very exciting. Please welcome with a big round of applause to Pravda ma'am and Raghav Prabhu. So thank you very much Pravda and Raghav for the excellent comparing of this program. Thank you very much. And children, the PowerPoint presentation also that you witnessed for this entire quiz, I would like to call upon that team. So Neha ma'am. Because with the excellent errorless PowerPoint presentation. The dance that we had, the fusion dance. So I call upon Parag sir as the music teacher and Neha ma'am and Poonam ma'am on stage for choreography of the mathematical fusion dance. Thank you much for giving this touch of art and music to a math quiz. Thank you.
The biscuit for Mathmania 2024. Aditya 354. Correction please, who's not Aditya, is Atharva Srivastava.
thankfulness, the more you get to be thankful for. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our chief guest for the day, Honorable Dr. Madhav Kaushik sir, for taking out time from his busy schedule and gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir. I would also like to express my heartfelt thanks to our guest of honor, Dr. Stephen Span. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our school management for always being supportive of our initiatives and encouraging us to strive for excellence. I would also like to extend my earnest appreciation to our principal, Dr. Madhuri Chittivan ma'am, and the teachers for their unwavering support and guidance to make this event a grand success. I would like to express my honest regards to our GTA members and parents for gracing this occasion with their presence. Also, a big thank you for the entire supporting staff for their significant contribution. Now, I request everyone to rise in the honor of our national song, Vande Mataram.
Vande